You're asking why your Mercedes hybrid started all by itself, parked and locked inside your garage. It did that to save its 12-volt battery, and it happened because the car was never actually turned off. That "Stop vehicle, leave engine running" message on your dash isn't a suggestion. It's the final warning that the ignition cycle is still active. With a plug-in hybrid, the car is often silent when you park, sitting in a vehicle-ready state. It's easy to get out, hear nothing, lock the doors, and walk away thinking it's shut down. But it isn't. Here's what's happening. Your car has two batteries, the large high-voltage battery that drives the wheels, and a small 12-volt battery that runs all the computers, lights, and locks. When the car is on, the high-voltage battery keeps the 12-volt one charged. But if you walk away with the ignition active, the computers and systems slowly drain the main high-voltage battery. Once its charge gets too low, it can no longer support the 12-volt again, so no 12-volt battery. At that point, the 12-volt battery starts to drain on its own. The car's computer sees its voltage dropping to a critical level. To prevent the 12-volt battery from dying completely, which would leave you unable to even unlock the doors, it has one last resort. It commands the gasoline engine to start, turning it into a generator to save the system. So, the first step is to treat that warning message as a hard stop. If you see "Stop vehicle, leave engine running," you must get back in the car, put it in park, and press the Start/Stop button until the screens go dark and you hear the systems power down. Make it a habit. Next, check the health of that 12-volt battery. A weak battery is the underlying reason the car gets so desperate. An earlier, quieter sign is the simple red battery symbol on your instrument cluster. Don't ignore it. To test it yourself, wait until the car has been off for at least an hour. Put a multimeter on the battery terminals, red lead to positive, black to negative. A healthy resting battery will show 12.4 volts or higher. If it's under 12 volts, it's failing. If the battery is more than 4 years old, just replace it. And for newer 48-volt or EQ power vehicles, this requires a reset. The car's energy management system needs to be told it has a new battery. Using a diagnostic tool like Xentry, this calibrates the charging system to the new battery's health, which is a critical step to prevent future problems. Ignoring this chain of events means the engine could start in a closed space. This is a serious carbon monoxide risk, especially in an attached garage where the fumes can enter your home.